Hi, in this video I want to show you an app I created for converting different data files into SQL scripts for different database. During my work sometimes I get emails with data files like Excel, CSV, XML files or like different type formats and asking, can you please upload this into database, can you convert it and put it into SQL. And so I created an app that helped me to do this, and here I want to show how it works. And this is my website, I will leave link to description. It has a lot of apps, over like 100 of them, and to find app I can type SQL and get, for example, SQL apps here, and I need particularly this one. So to download the app, I'll double click on the download button to start the loading process and click on archive, on the loaded archive, double click on MSI and click on more info. I'm getting this screen because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to continue installation. Click on next install, click on yes and click on finish, and you can see app has been installed on my computer. Now I can close this and minimize this, and basically any conversion is like 3 steps process. I can show you. I double click on app to start it. Now I click on select input file to select file I want to convert, and for example if I go to documents and I have this US and Canada Excel files, it's basically Excel files I can show you. It's Excel files that has 2 data sheets, one with US states, code region, subregion, and another is different Canada states. And now I can open this file if I want to convert it into SQL. Then if I want to convert another files, for example, like this address CSV file, let's open this. I think it's a test file. I can no, I have to select file, then click on open. And it's a test file. It has the first name, last name, organization title, homepage. It's just for testing purposes. I can select this one too. So different files, different formats, and I click on next. Here, if my data files, first row of my data files contain input fields, I should leave it checked, meaning that all column names will be used as data fields, name of the data fields into SQL. Here I have to specify which SQL database I need to convert to different SQL databases, so I'm adding them on a regular basis. For example, I want to convert to SQL, click on next, then I can preview SQL, and here I can see US states converted, and this is US states insert. So it will be like create table statement, then insert statement, then create table Canada states, CA states, and then insert statement, and then address, right? Address CSV, it will be create and insert. And of course I can save it into SQL and specify name of the SQL file I want. This name is okay, and just click save and file will be saved. And now I can go and open this file into just edit. Yeah, edit is fine. And you can see there is a SQL file with all data from different files. This is like Excel files with 2 data sheets in it, and this is like create and insert, and this is like CSV file with all data. So yeah, basically that's it. Thank you. And yeah, and if I run this I can send this SQL file to my administrator and ask, could you please run it on file, or I can run it into SQL Management Studio, or if this different database, I can run it into PHPMyAdmin for my SQL database, and that's, or I can send to admin and say, like, please run this file, and it will create table with all data. Yeah, basically that's it. Thank you.